AI can now do in 5 minutes what used to take a financial planner an hour, and it is free. Here are the tools actually worth using. AI tools have democratized financial planning for everyone. These are free or nearly free. No expensive advisor needed. Use them for budgeting, debt payoff, retirement planning, tax prep. Copilot Money. AI categorizes every transaction automatically. In-app AI suggestions. ChatGPT can analyze your in-app export. Ask Claude/ChatGPT to build a custom budget spreadsheet for your situation. Ask ChatGPT to calculate your retirement number. Give it your specifics. Wealthfront. AI managed investing starting at Personal Capital/Empower. Free AI investment analyzer and net worth tracker. Ask Claude to model Roth versus traditional IRA for your exact income. Use AI to simulate debt avalanche versus snowball for your specific debts. TurboTax AI and Keeper Tax, AI receipt scanner for self-employed. Get my free AI money toolkit at https://fundbiz.gumroad.com.